This is Ian Lamont. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a SKU from your Amazon FBA or FBM inventory using the inventory loader. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So I've done some other videos on why you should do this method to basically delete a SKU from your inventory. You can basically search my old videos to find it, but this is going to be a step-by-step view of how to use this particular tool. It's a little bit daunting at first, but actually it's pretty simple once you've done it once or twice. So the first thing to do, go to Seller Central and search for this help page that says use the inventory loader. When you come to this help page, there'll be an option that says download the inventory loader file template. So click that, and then you'll be prompted to save an XLSX file, which is the inventory loader spreadsheet template. What you're going to do then is go to the folder where you downloaded that thing. You're going to double click on it, and you'll come to the actual template. One thing you should know is that the template has a lot of columns, and you're not going to use, basically you're only going to use 2 columns. I'll show you what they are. So the first one is the SKU column. So the SKU should contain the SKU, not the ASIN, of the product that you want to delete permanently from your FBA or FBM inventory. So you can copy and paste it in, or I'm just going to type in something kind of random. So usually Amazon SKUs look something like this, with a couple numbers in them, and then maybe the letter K at the end, whatever. I'm going to blow that up a little bit so you can see it. It's not letting me do it. I don't know why. Let's press return and let's try it again. Okay. And then what you're going to do in the column I, it says add delete, type the letter X. And basically X will delete that data from that SKU from your inventory. Even if you've deleted it manually using the FBA Manage Inventory tool or the Manage All Inventory tool on Amazon Seller Central, it doesn't really delete it permanently. I don't know why that is. But Amazon designed this technology, which, as many people know, it's broken in many places. And this is one of the things that tripped up a lot of people because they thought they deleted a SKU, but they didn't really do it. And then it bites them later on when, for instance, somebody hijacks their brand. They'll use an old SKU and take over the listing. Or if they're a reseller and they've been selling stuff that they shouldn't be selling, even if they think they've deleted the listing, the consumer products company will come after them later on, and basically Amazon will give them a Section 3 violation or take down their account health by a huge number of points. So this is one way to basically stop that from happening. There's one more step you need to do, and that is once you've entered the data for the SKU that you want to delete, as well as added the letter X there, you need to go to the instructions. It'll tell you what you need to do. Step number 6 is save your file as tab delimited text file. So you're only going to be saving this particular sheet in the workbook. So go to File, Save As, and then File Format. This is a Mac, but on Windows there's a similar process. Find tab delimited text. Okay, so I'm going to call this test 123, 123, and then save it. You might get an error message. To save the entire workbook, click cancel, and then save the workbook in another format. To keep the selected format and save only the active sheet, click OK. So that's what I want to do, just this selected sheet. And then, do you want to keep using the format? And that is the tab delimited text? Yes, I do. So it's all set. And then X out of that and save it again. And actually, let's take a look at that particular file, and you can see what it looks like. So basically what they've done is you can see all these tabs between the different values on those columns. And then you can see here, there's the SKU. And then if you tab forward about, a million times, you'll get to column I, and there's an X there. So this is the data you're going to be uploading to Amazon. So what you're going to do to upload it is you'll come to this Use the Inventory Loader page, go to Add Products via Upload in Seller Central. So just click on that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag that file into here. And actually, I'm not going to drag the file into here because, as you just saw, I entered a bogus SKU and I don't want to mess up the system. But basically, you drag it in there. I would select Receive Email Notifications about this feed in case something goes wrong, and then Submit Products. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have to wait for a while. And I don't know how long it takes, but it might be hours or it might be days. before they process it. But hopefully once that is done, the SKU will be removed from your inventory. And again, to get started with this, go to the Use the Inventory Loader page to find out basically to download the template and also to add the tab delimited text file back into Seller Central. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Many more videos on this channel. Links in the description for more information.